On the first day of STEADFest, City Steading gave to me
1 digital refractometer. That's right, a digital refractometer. This is the very digital refractometer that we used in a couple of our videos. Sorry, needed to take a breath there. Okay, what is STEADFest, you might ask? Good question. STEADFest is our very own made-up holiday. It's going to be December 20th of this year when we're going to announce all the winners for all 8 days of all of the stuff. There is only one of these, I'm very sorry, so only one lucky winner gets a digital refractometer. In order to enter, there's a link in the description below, and you have 5 days from the time of this video to enter. Only caveat is you must live in the continental United States or we can't ship it to you. So if you live outside of the continental United States, I'm really sorry, but please celebrate STEADFest anyway, because STEADFest is for everyone.
Special thank you to Hannah Instruments for supplying us with this digital refractometer.
Yes, most definitely. And by the way, this is actually really cool for taking original gravity readings. You can use some of the calculators to calculate final gravity readings. We've done it a few times, works just fine. We just personally find hydrometers to be a little bit easier to use.
It works best in a clear brew as it is working with the refraction of light.
Exactly. But yeah, go enter. Make sure you enter. And we don't restrict how many days you can enter, so feel free to try to win.
We do restrict how many days you can enter.
No, like you can enter all 8 days of STEADFest. You only have 5 days to enter each one.
Right, but if they're only watching this now, then the previous
then it's too late for a couple of them.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Just clarifying.
Yeah.
Anyway, happy STEADFest!